If you want to cancel your CapCut subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon within the app. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for the subscription or billing section in the settings menu. This area will provide details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. Once you locate your subscription details, select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled and you won't be charged in the next billing cycle. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your CapCut subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.